Hi, I had a look at home and I found these photos. They're going to go in my heirloom box. This is Thomas Horton. He's my grandfather's father. He used to grow trees in an orchard. Here is a photo of a family reunion from 1995. I'm in here somewhere and I'm a bit younger in this photo. I'm going to put that in there because there's a lot of our family members in here.
If photographs could talk, what would they say? This photo is the only photo of us as a group of sisters together that I have. They say pictures say 1,000 words. We had such a good time that day. We went out to Wow, and Sister Anne wore a dress instead of trousers. The things you have to do, but we all just loved it. Memories are worth saving long after the event.
Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed looking at the images that Andi and Pru brought in to share with you. I also have a picture to share with you, and that is this one. It's kind of a picture of two pictures because I wanted to kind of capture the change and the story in between these two pictures in one frame. So in this picture, you can see me, my dad, and my sister on my dad's neck. And this picture is taken when I visited New Zealand for the first time in my life. And as you can see a bit of the smoke in the back. It is in Rotorua, and I very vividly remember the smell and a lot of other good memories of that trip that we took as a family. This is a picture, it's kind of the last picture I have of my dad just before he passed away. So in this picture, I kind of bring him to New Zealand where I'm living right now, and I am very happy here. So to kind of bring that a little bit more together, I found a little frame that helps me with framing those two stories in one. This is kind of the plan I have, and I'll be cutting it out, doing some colouring and sticking it on some cardboard so I make sure it's a little bit more sturdy once I put it in the box.
He's my grandfather's father. Let's start that again. He's my grandfather's father. Stop. Now I want to. Right.
She always wears trousers.
I think